YouTube, once again, another name Anvil 2. Add him on RuneScape and tell him that he freaking sucks, cause he's about to get owned again. I mean business, nigga, please. Alright, here we go. This is gonna be quick, simple, and freaking easy. He's in Torva Prides, but nobody cares, so. Especially that freaking longsword. I hate it. It freaking owns me every single time. But if I got tremendously better, I would be owning this thing. So here we go. I'm doing good so far. He just freaking tanked my spec though. Oh god, he's freaking dying. Oh, this kid here. He doesn't know that I'm a freaking gangster when it comes to PKing. And he's safe. Dude. Oh, crud buckets. Alright, like I was saying. Actually, I wasn't saying anything. Actually, I'm about to do the trick that always scares everybody. And I good fighted him, people. So that's another on this video, and I'm out. I mean business.